Good morning, children. Today I am going to teach you value based questions related to the chapter number 2. The purpose of value based questions is to make the students aware of how basic values are required in analysis of different situations and how the students need to recognize these values in their daily lives. So, children, today I am going to start the value based question. Now, let us read the question. Value based question. Question number 1. Rohan's father had 1,75,845 in his bank account. He withdrew rupees 85,975 for repairing his house. Rohan had a friend, Sunil, whose family was very much in need of money for paying the hospital bills of his sick mother. Rohan wished to help Sunil and his family. He spoke to his father, and his father gave him rupees 4,575 out of the money withdrawn to help Sunil. Sunil was happy and thanked Rohan for the help. So, this is a story, moral story, children. So, let's start. There are some questions, few questions are there. Let's deal with the question. How much money is left in Rohan's father's bank account? So, let us solve this question. A. Total, firstly, let us find out the total amount that is deposited in Rohan's father's account. So, total amount deposited in Rohan's father's account, that is equals rupees 1,75,845, and then amount of money withdrew for repairing. What is the amount that was withdrew? Rupees 85,975. Now question is, how much money is left in Rohan's father's bank account? So amount of money left in bank account. So what we will do? We will subtract the withdrawn money from the total amount that is deposited in the bank. So total amount is 1,75,845 and the amount withdrew 85,975. So let's subtract. 5 minus 5 0, 4 minus 7 not possible. 4 will become 14 after borrowing from 110 from 8, and 10 will reduce to 7. 14 minus 7 is 7. Now 7 minus 9, it is not possible. Again borrowing from the neighboring place value. So 7 will become, borrowing 10, it will become 17, and 5 will reduce to 4. So 17 minus 9 is 8. Again 4 minus 5 not possible. Borrowing 110 from the 10,000 place, and 7 will be reduced to 6, and 4 will become 14. So 14 minus 5 is 9. Now 6 minus 8. So it is again not possible. 6 minus 8. So borrowing from the lakh, 110. 1 lakh borrowing. So 1 lakh will reduce to 10,000. So 16 plus 10, 16,000. So here in lakh column there is 0 money will be left. So 16 minus 8 is 8 and 0 is left over. So total money is 89,870 money is left in his account. Now next Next is how much money is left for repairing the house. So Rohan's father had withdrew money rupees 85,975 rupees for repairing his house. But when Rohan asked his father to help his friend in order to pay the hospital bills of his friend's sick mother, so his father had given his friend 4,575 rupees. So amount of the money will be left for repairing his amount, that for the repairing his house we have to find out. So Rohan's father gave how much money to his friend? Rupees 4,575 to his friend, and he withdrew how much money? Amount of money withdrew, how much? It is 85,975. So his father had given that amount 4,575 from 85,975. So amount of money is left for repairing. Amount of money withdrew, of money left for repairing. What we will do? We will subtract the amount that is withdrew from the bank for repairing 85,975 and will subtract the helping amount. So we will subtract it. Minus 5 minus 5 0, 7 minus 7 0, 9 minus 5 4, 5 minus 4 1, and then 8. So the money that is left for repairing is 81,400. Now children,